welcome back to my channel. My name's Lisa if you're new around here, and today I'm going to be creating a few new projects with the Cricut machine. So this is the Cricut Joy. Look how cool this is. So this is the smallest Cricut machine that is available. It's pretty new and I'm super excited to use it. So basically this is a cutting tool. It cuts lots of different materials and it also can draw as well. So I'm going to show you a few different projects with this today, and I'm also going to give you like a kind of overview of what you can get in the box, show you what you can create on the app as well, and just show you how to use it. So fingers crossed I can use it. This is the first time, so I'm giving you like a first impressions of the machine. I didn't want to create any projects before this video because I wanted to show you how easy it is to use, because I'm not the best with technology, but I've seen a few videos now and it does look super simple. So if you want to get into crafting or want to create some nice personalized bits for your home, then definitely keep watching. There are so many opportunities with this. There are so many different things you can create. You can create cake toppers, you can create cards, you can create labels. But today I'm going to show you a few projects. So let's get into the video and I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. So when you first get your Cricut machine, it will come in a box like this, and included in the box you will get your Cricut Joy machine. You'll also get your blade and housing, and you get a fine point pen as well, because you can do drawing with this as well. It's not just a cutting machine, you can get lots of different pens. This is a fine point pen. You also get a standard grip mat, which is this one here. You will also get some material that you can practice on. So this is some vinyl that you can practice on. This is a smart vinyl, which is a permanent vinyl. There are lots of different styles and types that you can get, and then you'll get your welcome card as well. So that is everything that you get in your box. You'll also get 50 ready to make projects online, and you'll get a free trial membership to Cricut Access, which is amazing. Okay, so now that I've shown you what you get when you buy your Cricut Joy, I just wanted to show you a few other products that I've got here that you could purchase as well. So there are so many different vinyls that you can use in your Cricut machine and different materials, but I've got a few smart vinyls to show you today. So I've got a really cool gold color, which you can see just here. I love like the metallic gold on this one, and this is a permanent vinyl. So this is a smart vinyl. It is ready to load into the machine, so it's easy to use. I've also got this really lovely sparkly one. It's kind of like that holographic look, which I love. We've got some blacks and whites as well for kind of those more basic projects, perfect for labeling and things like that. So I've got the black and the white there, and then you've got some transfer tape, which you will need to be able to transfer your cutouts onto the items that you want to kind of transfer them onto. So whether you're jazzing up a mug or adding some labels to some kind of Tupperware or things like that, you will need some transfer tape, and with the transfer tape you can reuse it. Don't worry about buying loads and loads of this stuff, because you will be able to reuse it because it's super sticky. So you've got the transfer tape there, and then we've got some really cool deluxe paper, which is perfect for cards and crafts like that. So very exciting. You get 10 sheets in here, which is lovely. A couple of other items that I've got is a standard grip mat. This is slightly longer than the one that comes with the Joy, so if you're doing like big worded projects, so if you're creating like a sign or something like that, then that would be really useful. And then I've also got the Cricut Joy light grip mat, so we've got that one as well. So we've got the standard grip mat there, and this is the light grip mat. So we've got two of those. We've also got the card mat, so if you're creating cards, then this is going to be one that you'll want to get. This is a starter tool set, so you've got your weeding tool in there, you've also got your scraper, and then you've got your spatula. What we'll do today is we'll use the vinyl that comes with the Cricut machine, so we can just see how that goes and what we can create with that. So for my first Cricut design project, I'm going to be personalizing this hand sanitizer. You can personalize them for your children, your family, your friends, and I thought that'd be a really cute little gift idea as well. So this is what I'm going to personalize. So on the app it already knows that I've got the Cricut Joy, so there's a few other machines there, but now any projects that come up here are all for the Cricut Joy machine, which is fantastic. So anything here you can create with your Cricut Joy. There are lots of different categories that you can go into. You can create your own projects and go into those as well. So for example, let's just go into monograms here. So if we tap on the monogram screen, you can see that there are so many different options. Should we just go with this one? So this is a monogrammed luggage tag, which you can see here. It tells you how quick and easy it is to do this project. It says easy, less than 30 minutes. It will tell you the finished size, so you know how much vinyl that you're going to need, and it will also tell you what materials that you may need as well. So this is really simple and easy to use. So basically all you need to do is tap on customize, which is what we're going to do now. And you can see here it's gone straight into the design space. Or if you wanted to create your own text, you can do that too. So down here you have got text, image or shapes. You can also upload your own if you wanted to. I'm going to go into the text. There are so many different fonts to choose from. So I'm just going to type in L and P, and then I'm going to move it up here so it's right at the top, and then I'm just going to resize it so it's the correct size that I need. So now that it is the size that I want it to be, I just press on make it without matte, because we don't need to use the matte. It tells me how much material I need, and then we press continue and we click on the joy. So we're just connecting the joy now, and then once that's connected it should start cutting out the materials, and then simply tap go for it to cut out your vinyl. The cutting machine has done what it needed to do. I'm just going to cut this because I don't need all of this vinyl, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this vinyl off very slowly, and then I'm just going to grab my weeding tool just to weed out this center part here. Next I just need to get the transfer tape so I can then put my initials onto my hand sanitizer, and that will be the first project complete. Once you've cut your transfer tape to size, you just need to peel it off its backing, and then you need to pop it over the wording or the vinyl that you want to transfer, and then you want to use your scraping tool to make sure that your vinyl sticks to the transfer paper. And once you've done that, you should be able to peel it off very slowly, and then you just need to grab the item that you want to put your transfer onto, and then place the lettering or image where you want it to go. Now that's all in place, all you need to do is peel away, and there you have it. You've got your own personalised hand sanitizer. Let me know what you think of that one, and give me some other ideas of what things I can personalise and what I can create with the Cricut Joy. Okay, so for my next project I'm going to be adding some vinyl to this cute little love heart. So this is like a love heart chopping board, and with Valentine's just around the corner, I thought this would make a really lovely decor piece. All I did when I went into the design space was click onto images, and then you can just type in like love or Valentine's, and so many free images will come up. So I've gone with this text, and it says you are loved always. I'm going to make that now. Originally it said you are loved always, and the loved was in red, but because I want to use all of the same vinyl, I've just coloured that in black, so it's all going to be the same. So I've tapped on make it, so it's telling me the material length that I need, and then I'm just going to tap on continue, and then you just connect the Joy to your phone. It will ask you what materials that you've got on here. So we've got the Smart Vinyl Permanent, and then it says to load tools, which is already loaded in there, and materials. So let's load the vinyl. Now the vinyl is completely loaded, all we need to do now is tap go. So we're going to tap go, and then it's going to create our wording. So now it just says that your project is complete. Unload your material, tap that button, and then it just lets that go. So now I'm just going to peel away the vinyl really gently. So now I'm just going to weed out any excess vinyl that I don't need. Going to get my transfer tape and then pop it on top, and it's going to be the same process as last time. Then you're just going to peel that tape back. Make sure the surface is clean. Now I'm just going to place the wording down, and I'm just going to use this tool just to make sure it's really stuck down before I peel away the transfer tape. And then you just gently peel. Look at that, that is so cool. I'm going to use the same tape here to do this one here. So this is the loved. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And that, guys, is my second Cricut creation ever. I'm actually really proud of that. That is so cute. So it says you are loved always, and it's on a little heart kind of chopping board. I'm going to put this in my kitchen now, so it looks really cute for Valentine's. I know it's not Valentine's yet, but I will whip this out for Valentine's Day because I think it's going to be a really cute kitchen accessory. There are so many things you could do. I also created this really cute personalised hand sanitizer, and as you could see, that was so quick and easy to create. So So if you want to check out Cricut, I will leave some information down below for you. Let me know what else you think I should make in the future. I would love to do some more videos like this. Obviously this is my very first time using a Cricut machine, so I'm sure that the more that I create, the better I will get and the more creative I will get. But for now, for my first ever projects, I am really happy with those. Do let me know if you've got any ideas on what I can make in the future, and if you've got a Cricut machine, I would love to know what you make with it and what your favourite creation is so far. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to check out all of the links down below to Cricut, and if you're getting your own Cricut machine or if you've just got your own Cricut machine, I would love to hear all about your new creations. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.